All right, so question number 7 for me is two cards are selected from a deck of 52 cards. The first card is not replaced before the second card is selected. Find the probability of selecting a 4, then selecting a jack. So we need to find the probability of selecting a jack given that we selected a 4 initially. Now the probability of selecting a 4, well, there are 4 4s in a suit of playing cards, so that's 4 out of 52. Now, I'm not going to simplify this fraction, and I'll show you with technology how we can do this. Now, the probability of selecting a jack, given that we haven't replaced this 4, means that there are 4 jacks, but now there are only 51 cards. And so this probability becomes P4 times Pj, which is equal to 4 over 52 times 4 over 51. And we can do this as a division, but I'm going to show you how to use the fractions on the different calculators, because sometimes having a fractional value might help. So I'm going to try to see if we can get a good view on the TI 30 here. And so here's my TI 30. And let me get my keys into focus. And so what I want to do is I want to do 4. And I'm going to hit the ABC key, 52. And on my display, that gives me 4 with this little arrow of 52. And that's the fraction. And I'm going to multiply that fraction by 4. Again, the ABC key of 51. And that does this as a fraction. So when I hit enter, I want to get the 4 out of 663. But I want to convert that to a decimal. So I'm going to hit the second key, and then I have this F/D key. So F/D, and there's my probability, 0.00603. This says to 3 decimal places, so it's 0.006. I'll come over here and I'll replace that. Whoops, that's my notes there. My camera, jiggly camera. Let's come back here. And so we will say that our probability was here 4 out of 663, which is approximately 0.006. Now I'm going to show you doing the same thing on the TI-84 for the people that have the TI-84. So I'll come back here. And here's the TI-84. I'm getting a lot of reflection today. I'm going to try to get my lights changed here. But for right now, turn this on. And what I want to do is I want to do 4 divided by, let me try to get that glare out of there, 4 divided by 52. Then I'm going to hit the math key. The math key is down here. And I'm going to choose dash fraction. It's the first option. Enter. And so what I get is 4 divided by 52, and then an arrow / fraction. So when I hit enter, it gives me the fraction 4 divided by 52. And I'm going to do 4 divided by 51. I hit the same key, the math key, and I choose a fraction. I hit enter, and I get 4 divided by 51. I am going to find a way to get the anti-glare here. And it should say that the 4 divided by 52, it does simplify it to 1 over 13. And so I can use my up arrow, and I can select the 1 over 13. And I'll hit enter, multiply, and hit my up arrow and select the 4 by 51. When I hit enter on that, that gives me the 4 divided by 663. And if I want to see the decimal of it, I just I up arrow on it and select it. So I have the 4/663. And then I hit second and enter. Get that in here, 4/663. Second, enter, second, enter. So 4/663. I'll go to math mode, down to decimal, and enter, and I get my decimal approximation. Sorry about that. I was using the shift enter, which is what the TI-89 does for this. Right. I'm working on getting a better document camera so that you can see the screen on the TI-84. Right now I do not have that.